Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Tire Gel is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial products in any car enthusiast's detailing arsenal, transforming dull, faded tires into deep, rich, and long-lasting black with a premium shine that truly completes the look of a freshly cleaned vehicle, making a significant impact on overall aesthetics. Number 5. MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash. Give your vehicle the premium treatment it deserves. This product delivers a luxurious wash experience, making your car shine like new. Its advanced formula creates an ultra-rich, long-lasting foam. This foam gently lifts away dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free clean. More than just a cleaner, it also conditions your paint. This dual action leaves a brilliant, mirror-like finish, enhancing your car's appearance. Designed to be gentle, it's safe for all paint types. You can trust it to clean thoroughly without stripping wax protection. Achieving a professional level clean is incredibly easy. Simply apply, wash, and rinse for stunning results every time. What we like. This offers an ultra-rich foam for a luxurious wash. It cleans and conditions your vehicle's paint in one easy step. If you are looking for a simple, effective way to maintain your car's paint while adding shine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Last Hoorah Tire Shine Gel Coating and Dressing. Over time, sun and outdoor elements can make your vehicle's exterior look dry and worn. This product is designed to bring back its original vibrancy and protect it from further damage. Its unique formula creates a protective layer against damaging UV rays and harsh weather. It also delivers a truly clean, high-gloss shine that repels dirt and won't sling. This durable dressing withstands tough conditions and frequent washes without harmful solvents. It's water-based and biodegradable, making it better for both your vehicle and the environment. Not just for tires, it rejuvenates rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. Applying more layers allows you to achieve an even deeper, more dramatic gloss. Forget messy gels, simply apply a few drops with an applicator. It dries to the touch in just 15 minutes, letting you get back on the road sooner with a finish that lasts for months. Your car or motorcycle is a significant investment. This effective coating cleans and cares for its parts, extending their life with a long-lasting, attractive high gloss. What we like. This provides a high-gloss finish with no sling protection. Its anti-stick, dirt-repelling formula works on rubber, plastic, and vinyl. If you want a versatile product that protects multiple surfaces and dries quickly for immediate results, this is perfect. What people say. Number 3. MEGUIAR'S G7516 Endurance Tire Gel. Transform your tires with this premium gel. It's designed to give them an incredible, long-lasting glossy finish that truly stands out. Experience a shine that endures. This advanced formula ensures your tires look great for an extended period, even through various weather conditions. Crafted with a premium blend, it delivers superior results every time. You'll notice the difference in the depth and richness of the gloss. Applying it is simple and straightforward. Just a small amount is all you need to achieve that perfect, showroom-ready look. This convenient pack ensures you have plenty to keep your tires looking their best. Get ready to enjoy a brilliant, glossy appearance on all your vehicles. What we like. This delivers a lasting, glossy shine that endures. Its premium gel formula ensures controlled application and deep conditioning. If you prioritize long-lasting results and a rich, dark finish without constant reapplication, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 2. MEGUIAR'S Quik Eraser Kit Car Scratch Remover. Tired of unsightly scratches and scuffs on your car's paint? This innovative kit is designed to quickly and effectively remove surface blemishes, restoring your vehicle's pristine look. It's safe on all glossy paints and clear coats, ensuring no damage to your car's finish. Utilizing advanced microabrasive technology, it works without hazing, making it ideal for DIY car care. With its drill-activated pad and Scratch X, the tool does the hard work for you. Simply attach it to any standard electric drill to quickly erase light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: Scratch X, a drill-mounted pad, and a premium microfiber towel. It provides professional results right at home with minimal effort. Erase fine scratches and blemishes quickly, restoring your car's finish to a like-new condition. For added protection and shine, we recommend following up with a quality wax. Backed by over a century of industry leadership, you can trust its quality and effectiveness. This brand has been providing professional-grade solutions since 1901, now available for your home use. What we like. This kit quickly erases light scratches and scuffs. It's drill-activated for minimal effort and safe on all glossy paints. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to remove minor paint blemishes without damaging your clear coat, this provides professional results at home. What people say. Number 1. MEGUIAR'S Hot Shine High Gloss Tire Coating. This car tire shine spray provides an impressive and long-lasting shine. It withstands the elements, ensuring your tires always look their absolute best for extended periods. Unlock the potential of your tires with this coating. Its formula creates a deep wet look, giving your tires a mesmerizing appearance and making it a great addition to your car detailing kit. This tire shine uses a unique blend of water-resistant and premium polymers. This cutting-edge formula delivers exceptional shine and provides unmatched protection against the elements. It is designed to ensure flawless car care and a uniform finish on every tire. Its self-spreading formula effortlessly covers the tire surface, eliminating worries of streaks or uneven coatings. With this in your car cleaning kit, your tires get more than just a stunning shine. It actively preserves and protects them, preventing cracking, browning, and premature aging. What we like. This delivers a deep, wet look shine with maximum protection. Its advanced self-spreading formula ensures uniform application without streaks. If you desire a stunning, mirror-like finish and effortless, even coverage, this spray is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.